Everyone, my name is Kemar and I will be showing you how to purchase hosting from A2 Hosting. Now once you're on the landing page, you want to come and click on the shared hosting option. Now this video will show you how you will purchase both hosting and domain name. Now your domain name is basically the name of your website. For example, kemarharris.com, geniuschem.com, internetincomejamaica.com. So it's what persons type into the web browser to get to your website. And hosting is basically an online storage platform that is used to store all your website content, um, all your images, all of that information. So you come to shared hosting and you click on get started. Once you click on get started, the next step is that you need to choose your domain name. Now let's say my domain name is Kemar Harris. If my domain name is unavailable, you will notice that it gives other suggestions. However, what you can do at times is that you can also tweak your domain name. I can say, okay, Kemar Harris isn't available, let me choose Kemar Harris Online. And you always want to get the .com. The .com domain names are the most popular. Of course, you can get a .net, a .org, and so on, but .com is the most popular. Once it's available, you can come down and click on continue. Now, I recommend for most persons the light package is the way to go, especially if you are building a business website. Most business websites don't need more than the light package. And you definitely want to select the 12-month option whenever you're purchasing hosting. Your domain name is for a year, your hosting should also be for 1 year. So billing cycle 12 months. I recommend you keep these at the default. If you plan on having multiple websites, multiple domain names connected to your hosting account, then you can tick this option that says Swift. Otherwise, if you only plan on having one website for now, I recommend you keep it at none. Down here where it says priority support, that's not necessary. They already offer you phone support and they offer you email and live chat. I do not think this is necessary. They already offer some amount of cPanel backups that you can benefit from. And for server location, you want to select either US Michigan or USA Arizona. And we choose the USA options because those are closest to where we are. You basically choose the option closest to your geographical location because the closer it is, the faster the website will be. As none, you can leave that at the default where they won't charge you any additional amount. There is a way that we can get free SSL certificate. It says, if you notice, it says let's encrypt, free, good for personal sites. So you keep this option. And you keep pretty much everything at the default for now. You don't need to install any applications at this time. And you just come down and you see that your total should be somewhere in the range of $50 to $60, purchasing both domain name and the light hosting package for 1 year. Then you click on continue. Now once you click on continue, it will ask you if you want to also it will give you these three options. And from these three options, the only one that I recommend is ID protection. Basically, whenever you own a domain name, if someone looks up who is the owner of that domain name, they can see your name and they can see your phone number and so on. So when you select ID protection, that information is no longer visible to persons who are looking up information about your domain name. These two options on the left and the right, those aren't important. They aren't necessary at this time. DNS management, that's only important if you did not purchase your domain name here. Email forwarding, you won't be doing that. We're gonna show you how you can get. There's a way you can actually set up your business emails. For example, info@kemarharris.com from within the cPanel. So these two aren't necessary at all. Then you click on continue. No, the total increases to $77, but only because I decided to purchase the protection. That's the only reason why it increased a little bit. But you will see that you are saving basically 51%. I'm not sure how much you will save at the time that you are purchasing, but you can go ahead and check out, and it will ask you for your credit card information or for your PayPal information, depending on the payment option that you want to use. So just to point out a few things here, you can always leave these sections blank. For postal code, we tend to use 5 zeros, especially if you're in a country like Jamaica. You don't have a zip code, and we don't really use postal code, so you can leave those blank. Down here, it will ask you to create your password. It will also ask you to choose a security question just in case you forget your password. And you can use the best payment gateway. I recommend this payment gateway. It's the simplest and fastest. If you have a PayPal account, you can, however, use PayPal instead. Now, you choose your card type, enter your card number, expiration date of your card, month/year, and the CVV number is normally the 3 digits, the three numbers at the back of your card. And once everything is all filled out correctly, you click on complete order, and that's it. If there's any problem, it will tell you what the problems are, and then you can just fix them and try again. All right, all the best. Thank you for watching.